Hello, this is Craig Mertens, Director of Product Education for Inktavo, the parent company of GraphicsFlow. I'm going to walk you through the April 2023 art drop. We're starting out with some very colorful beach themes. These designs can easily be adapted for a corporate theme by including elements from a corporate logo. They can also be adapted for school themes by including mascots as well as sports icons. Next up, we have themes built around outdoor activities. We've included some camping designs as well as biking designs, and we wrapped it up with a series of archery designs that can easily be adapted into other sports. The next theme is surf and tropical. We constructed several decal and patch layouts, which is very popular right now. And we also did some classic collegiate looks, incorporating some tropical themes. We also included some Western and Southwestern themes. Any of these designs can easily be adapted to another setting by changing the fonts, colors, and clip art. And we also included several label designs, which is a very popular look right now. In preparation for summer, we included some nautical and boating themes. We also included some new patch layouts that can easily be incorporated into applique, embroidery, or even a small center front print. These also look great on promotional products. I'd like to point out that a stock design is simply a starting point. In this case, we took a beach week design for a family vacation and turned it into a family reunion design. Changed the text, changed the fonts, recolored it, swapped out the clip art from a palm tree to more of a traditional family tree. This is a great use of a design template as a starting point to create something completely fresh and new for your customers. In this next example, I took an archery design and transformed it into a corporate lifestyle branding design. So what do I mean by that? Most companies will have their logo. In the case of their logo, if it's not a cool looking logo, their merchandise isn't going to sell well. So one of the things that you can do is you can go to a company and say, hey, we can design a whole series of graphics beyond your logo that incorporates maybe elements of your logo or icons from your industry, and we can create something really cool that emulates what you're seeing in the retail world. The bottom line is you're going to have products that sell better and that employees are going to be excited about wearing. In this final example of customization, I took a classic collegiate graphic and turned it into a state championship graphic. I swapped out the mascot, changed the copy, recolored it, and I did this all in under 2 minutes using the new stock art customizer in GraphicsFlow. With each new art drop, you're getting the building blocks for creating custom graphics. I'm not fixating on the clip art or the fonts or the colors in the graphic or even the text. I'm looking at all the possibilities for creating something completely unique using the starting point of that design template. So the whole point behind the design drops is giving you that base starting point so you can do outstanding custom work for your customers without the traditional time and expense of developing something from scratch. For more information on GraphicsFlow, visit GraphicsFlow.com.